Hey everyone, today I'm going to compare OpenClaw and N8N based on their features, the pros and cons, pricing, and the type of automation each one is best for. So both tools automate tasks, but they work differently. So OpenClaw uses AI and natural language, while N8N uses a visual workflow builder. Because of this, OpenClaw is better for users who want AI assistance, while N8N is better for users who want more control. So let's begin with OpenClaw. It is an AI-powered automation agent that lets you describe a task in simple words. So instead of building every step manually, you tell the AI what you want and it decides how to complete the task. So for example, you can ask it to check emails, summarize important messages, and send a Slack notification. It also supports persistent memory, AI reasoning, messaging apps like Slack and Telegram, and multiple AI models and browser automation. So this makes it feel more like an AI assistant. Now, let's look at N8N. So N8N is an open source automation platform similar to Zapier or Make, and it can also be self-hosted. Instead of giving instructions through a conversation, you connect triggers and actions using a visual node-based editor. So for example, when a customer signs up, N8N can add them to a CRM, send a welcome email, and notify your team. It also offers many integrations, scheduling, data tools, and team collaboration features. And then OpenClaw is easier to start with and works well for tasks that need context or AI decisions. However, it has fewer integrations, no visual builder, and may be less predictable. N8N gives you more control, reliable workflows, strong documentation, and a large integration library. However, it takes more time to set up and may be harder for beginners and has more limited AI abilities. In simple terms, OpenClaw offers more AI intelligence while N8N offers more control and predictability. So for pricing, OpenClaw is open source and can be self-hosted. VPS hosting may cost around $5 to $20 per month, while AI costs depend on usage, and managed hosting may start at around $19 per month. So N8N also has a free self-hosted version. Its cloud starter plan is around $20 per month, while the pro plan is about $50 per month. So overall, choose OpenClaw if you want conversational AI automation, and then choose N8N if you need reliable workflows, many integrations, and clear step-by-step control. You can also use both together with OpenClaw handling AI decisions and N8N running the workflow. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.